In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pin emails in Gmail. Now, you might be wondering, is it really possible to pin emails in Gmail? The straightforward answer is, technically no, but there is a nifty workaround that lets you achieve a similar result. Let's dive into it. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your Gmail account. Once you've done that, focus your attention on the top right corner of your Gmail interface where you'll see a gear icon. This is your gateway to the quick settings, which is, essentially, a host of customization options for your Gmail experience. Click on that gear icon, and a sidebar will open up with several options. Among these settings, you'll spot one labeled Inbox Type. Now, this is where the magic happens. By default, Gmail shows you the default inbox type, but we're going to change that. Click on the Inbox Type drop-down menu and select Starred First. What this does is prioritize all the emails you've starred, bringing them right up to the top of your inbox view. With that done, the next step is simple. Go through your email list and find those important emails you'd like to pin. To do this, simply click on the little star icon next to each email. As you go on starring those crucial emails, you'll notice that they're immediately lifted to the top of your inbox. This is your pseudo-pinning technique, and just like that, you've elevated those important messages to a visible prime spot. Now, if you don't see the changes right away, just give your inbox a quick refresh or reload, and you'll see those starred emails lined up at the very top. This method might not be precisely pinning, as seen in some other email platforms, but it certainly serves the purpose by giving prominence to emails that require your immediate attention or action. A little tip for maintaining this system. Over time, you may find several starred emails stacking up. To manage them efficiently, regularly review your starred emails and unstar the ones you've already addressed or no longer need quick access to. Remember, while this method might take an extra step or two, having your most important emails right at the top can be a game changer for productivity and focus. It ensures that the crucial bits of communication are always a glance away. And there you have it. You now know how to creatively manage your inbox with this clever workaround. Keep organizing and stay efficient. If you found this helpful, consider exploring other Gmail customization options to further tailor your email experience. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.